And as Bill Gates famously said, we tend to overestimate the effect of technology in the short run, and we underestimate the effect in the long run. So I think that's the current state of play in AI. All the members are looking for plug and play applications that they can deploy right away that are easy and inexpensive. But honestly, I think, if you have your employees using ChatGPT to write your blog posts and you get a 3% productivity gain and all your competitors are getting a 3% productivity gain, so what? That is not a path to competitive advantage. So when disruption occurs, what we look for is phase changes that are more enduring. And in my mind, there is going to be a price of admission to participate in the transformative power of AI. And at the end of the webinar, I'm going to share access to a white paper that will go into this in much more detail, and we'll share some of those plug and play resources because I know that's what everyone's looking for. But I really think if you want a path to competitive advantage, it looks more like this. So starting at the base, I would be using your 2024 strategy cycle to reimagine your corporation, including whatever your aspiration is for transformation, and embed digital in that vision. And then maybe it's identifying some domains. What I mean by domains is maybe identify a segment within your business that you could really concentrate your effort and implement AI in lieu of trying to boil the ocean. So a good example of this might be advanced analytics. Just try to get better at analytics, and there are many AI tools that are very enabling in that way. You're going to need to build a digital team, and honestly, I would say the traditional IT department in a small and medium-sized business is not equipped to deploy AI in any kind of grand way. AI uses a lot of data. You need to have roles like process specialists and data scientists that could cost $300,000 or $400,000 a year. And I think a lot of members are going to choke on that. So I think this is more a 3 or 4 year process where we're acquiring the talent that we need. And then maybe you're in a position to start to automate some workflows, which would be very, very powerful. Examples of a workflow might be completely automating your customer onboarding experience or your employee onboarding experience. And by the way, I skipped this on the building the team. We're going to need to be great employers because the people we are going to have to hire are the most heavily sought after workers in our economy. So we're going to have to get really good at being an employer if we're going to attract those people. And then finally, we're going to need to build the right technology architecture to support AI, which is going to require a ton of integration. And that has been a massive pain point for our members over the last 5 years. But in the future, what's going to happen is you're going to have an integrated set of systems, and then all of the APIs are going to talk to each other in a very fluid way. And that's what makes digital transformation and AI so powerful.